Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Excel formulas which are used in calculation of treasury bills. So first we will discuss what is treasury bill. So treasury bill is basically a money market instrument. It is a short-term instrument issued by government to raise money from the market. Generally they issue this instrument through treasury department or through central bank. And this instrument in India is available up to 364 days maturity also. So they have to issue with a fixed maturity date like 90 days, 364 days, 180 days or 270 days. Now these another feature of treasury bill is these are issued at discount. So final face value, whatever is been told at the beginning, that is going to be the redemption value, and when any person is going to subscribe it, he is going to subscribe it at a discounted value. So let us try to understand it by an example. Assume that I have purchased a treasury bill on 31st March 2008. This bill has been issued sometime back in past and I have acquired it on 31st March 2008. This bill is going to mature on 1st of June 2008 and it is issued to me at a discount rate of 9.14%. So let us try to first arrive the price of this treasury bill as on 31st March 2008. For that you have to go to this formula tab, and from financial, in financial you have to get this function T-bill price. Now put the settlement date, put the maturity date and put the discount rate at which you have acquired it. And here is the price. So 98.4258 is the price at which I have acquired this treasury bill on 31st March 2008. Now let us try to work out the yield for this treasury bill. So again go to the same financial functions and then you have to get treasury bill yield. Put the settlement date, put the maturity date, and here you have to put the price of the security at which we are acquiring. So 98.42, and you can see the yield for this treasury bill is 9.29%. This is yield to maturity. And then T-bill equivalent, bond yield equivalent of this treasury bill, that is also we are going to find it out. So let us try to do it. Select this formula, put settlement date, put maturity date and put the discount rate, and you will find the bond equivalent. So why this formula? This is useful because we can compare the various investment instruments and then accordingly we can arrive at which instrument is beneficial, whether a bond which is also about to mature, which is already existing and now about to mature on this given date, or treasury bill which is maturing on this given date, which one is going to fetch us more return. That's what is the use of this formula, and we can work it out. Now why this value is a little higher than this one? Because of the day count conventions. The day count convention which we use here is 30 by 360. So that will also generally in the bonds. So that can also play a role. So I hope this video is clear to you. Thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe to my channel.